So, what's up, guys? It's all about the poster mockups, how to do the mockups of posters. So, in the previous session, we have done a poster design. So, in this session, we will do a mockup with the same poster. Fine. So, this is my poster. Fine. And I don't want to rot the surprise. So, what I have to do, I will just drag and drop to the new artboard here. Yes. Okay, fine. So here's the page. Here's the artwork. Now the background is very dark, right? So what we have to do, we have to take the new color with a new layer, brush. Okay. Now what I will do, I will do the Control S. Control S means Control Save. Once I save the file here, the change will you can see here. You can see the change. Just hold on, you will see. Look, can you see the change? So in the same manner, if I can drag and drop any image, suppose this is the photo. So close the file. Now double click to enter on this. I've entered to a different layer. I will delete this layer. Control V. Control S. It's savings. Now come to the layer. Look this. Fine. So we call this a mockup. You can try it out this way. If you want to download a more mockups, you can download it through where you can go to Google, write down downloads mockups. Fine. So you will get a lot of option to download the mockups. Okay. So I hope you understand how to mock your design to represent in a more efficient and in a better way. Clear? Thanks for attending this session. It's a very short session because I know I just want to let you know how to do a mockup. That's it. That's the main point of the talk. All right. So have a great day and bye bye, guys.